Hello, my name is Ben. I am from Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and today I want to share a story with you about a situation I was in with a slumlord. And I don't know if you've ever been in a situation like this before, or you've rented, or you are renting from a slumlord, but it's exhausting and it's frustrating, and I want to help save you the frustration that I went through. My situation was that I was paying for heat I was not getting. To make kind of a longer story short, but I had agreed that I was going to pay a third of the heat cost with the downstairs neighbors, and I was fine with that until I discovered I was not getting the heat I was paying for. So I told this to my landlord. He said, "Well, everything looks like it's working fine, should be working fine." But I went back to him and I said, "It's not." And he bought me an electric space heater. So I went back to him and I said, "Listen, this is not a good solution to my problem because I have to leave this thing on all the time. It's kind of a safety concern, and my electric bill is skyrocketing." He said, "You don't like it? Move." Couldn't believe he said that, but that's what he told me. And told this story to my dad, explained the situation, and he said, "Yeah, you can't do that." And I said, "Well, what do I do?" He said, "You're going to have to find somebody to talk to." I said, "Okay, who can I talk to?" He said, I don't know. You're going to have to try, maybe Google it." That's what I did. I went home, tried doing some research, trying to find anything in black and white I could go back to my landlord with and say, see, I'm right, you're wrong. All I was finding was advertisements for attorneys, and I knew right away that, at 19 years old, I didn't have $500 for a retainer fee and $300 to pay an attorney for a situation like this. So I pretty much gave up at the end of the night. I filled out a form anyway, requesting to talk to somebody. And a few days later, I was at work, and this lady called me. She started telling me about this membership that she has to offer that can give me affordable access to attorneys. I said, "Okay, I'm listening." And she said, "Well, you'll receive unlimited phone consultation, and attorneys will make phone calls or write a letter on your behalf if they feel that'll resolve the issue." I said, "Okay, I'm still listening." So she went on to say, "Well, it's just a monthly membership, no contract. If you're ever unsatisfied with our service, there is a customer service number you can call." I said, "Wow, that sounds great." Uh, I said, it sounds too good to be true, but I'm going to take your word for it and take my chances." So I did, and I'm glad I did, because the next day I was speaking with an attorney and explaining my situation to him, and he said, "Don't worry about anything. You're definitely right. Your landlord is in the wrong. I'm going to draft a letter and send him a letter uh, saying that basically he's got to fix this issue immediately or else." And I said, "Okay, wow, that sounds great." So he did that, and it was amazing because the situation that I argued back and forth with my landlord was resolved with one letter. I get a call, "Here, he should be working fine now." I was like, "Yes, thank you." I couldn't believe it. So I was sold. From that point on, again, knowing that I have the ability to just pick up the phone, talk to an attorney, and get the advice that I need, the help that I need, and not have to worry about the cost. So if you're still watching this video, I'm just encouraging you to fill out the form, get the full details about this membership, because there's a lot that I did not go over that this membership includes. It's super easy to use. We have an app to use. I mean, it's super simple. Tap the app. Within seconds, you can be speaking with an attorney. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you.